Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see an honest review of the Wiser app. Wiser offers book summaries in both text and audio formats, focused on self-improvement, business, productivity, health, and money, etc. Summaries are meant to be short, 15 minutes long, so you can get any key insights without reading the whole book. There is a premium subscription that gives unlimited access to all summaries, personalized recommendations, progress tracking audio, text options, learning challenges, etc. The free trial versions exist with limited access. Several features are appreciated, like convenience and format, that users like being able to consume summaries quickly, especially audio during commutes or while multitasking. Wiser summaries and audio format appeals for that learn-on-the-go idea. Some reviews say the app looks clean, modern, and it's fairly easy to use, and there seem to be a decent variety of books and topics from self-growth, which people wanting quick lessons from different subjects find valuable. But there are quite a few complaints. These are serious enough to consider before subscription. Multiple users report being charged even after canceling, and many say support either doesn't respond, gives vague answers, or doesn't resolve refund cancellation requests. Crashes, freezing, audio playback issues, summaries or audio not accessible, although paid progress not being saved reliably. Then some say the free trial or teaser content is too limited, or that what's promised. And complaints of hidden upsells, unclear whether buying one package includes others, confusion about what premium or infographics subscriptions are. So, I'd lean toward legit but sketchy high risk. More in details. Legit because the app exists in stores, many users to find value, audio, text summaries, learning on the go, there is a working product and a positive feedback. And the high risk and not fully trustworthy because of repeated user complaints about billing issues, support failures, and functional problems that seem to be persist over time. So it's not definitely a scam in the sense of zero product, but there are enough warning signals that I would not recommend blindly subscribing without trying the free or trial version, checking cancellation policies, and keeping an eye on charges. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.